Hello everyone, I wanted to demonstrate to you another one of the applications that sit on top of the N2 architecture. This time it's Message Manager. Message Manager allows you to send a targeted message to a group of subscribers very simply, very quickly and very easily. Let's take you through actually generating a message and sending that to a set of subscribers. As you can see here on the portal, I have Message Manager available to me, and clicking into that gives me a new window which shows me the campaigns that are running. Presently I don't have any campaigns running on the system, so let's create one. You can see here that there is a button that says create new campaign. In 4 easy stages we'll be able to create a campaign which runs for these subscribers. Clicking on the button takes me to a new page which allows me to define what this campaign is. So the first thing I have to do is give it a title. I have to give it a description, and this is all used for the analytics package. I then have to set when this campaign is going to start and when this campaign is going to end. As you can see here that we already have it running out until the 3rd of September, which is actually tomorrow. What we can also do is choose a time window that that message would be displayed on. So maybe we only want the campaign to run between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock in the evening. We can do that. In this campaign we're not going to do that, we're going to actually allow it to run all the time. Two other things that we can do on this page are we can select what type of device that this is going to be displayed on, and what we use is the header from the browser to be able to determine what type of device is being used on. We're going to select all because we want this to go out to any device. We have to select a priority, and this is used so that we can have overlapping messaging campaigns running at the same time, and we can therefore define one of these campaigns as being a much higher priority. Here we choose which domain that's going to trigger this particular list, or we can use any domain. I'm going to actually choose one that I've created earlier on, and it's called football. You can see here that I have a list of UK football teams. I'll select that, and now this campaign will only run if one of these domains are hit when the browser goes to that page. For information, that this only has about 6 football clubs in it, and if I go to one that's not on the list, the campaign won't run. Clicking next takes me to a new window which then allows me to decide which group of recipients are going to be used. I have a test group set up already for myself. Selecting that means that only the message only goes to my group. Clicking on next now brings me up to the window which allows me to define which campaign and which template is going to be used, and I'll show you the templates later on. I'm going to select one here which is an IPTV upsell for football. If I click publish, this campaign is now running and active. Once this has been published, I'll show you the trigger for this. Clicking the new window here now allows me to type in a particular domain that I know is on the football list. And as you can see here, this campaign has now put a banner across the top of the page, which allows me to go and do a click through, but is overwriting the actual page that's in use. Now this is server-side JavaScripting, so it's irrelevant if the customer actually turns off the client-side JavaScripting on their machine. Clicking on Tell Me More takes an action, and in this particular case, it goes to a service provider's web page. All of that information has been tracked, so the analytics package will be able to display how often and how useful this campaign has been. I'll show you the analytics page in another video.